In Western Australia, the leader of the state government is titled Premier. By convention, he or she is a member of the lower house, the Legislative Assembly. In this house, government members sit to the right of the Speaker, with the Premier sitting here in the front row, surrounded by his or her ministers. As leader of the state government, the Premier takes a leading role in the Parliament, explaining, discussing and promoting the government's policies.
Mr Speaker, I rise today to inform the House of the WA Labor Government's agenda for 2018. In the second year of this government, we will be getting on with the job of shaping a state.
The Premier, as leader of the government and a minister, will play a major part in the debates and will often receive a significant number of questions from the opposition during question time.
Given that, on top of your government leaving out state and federal funding for the Mitchell Freeway extension, will you admit that your failure to fund this extension will have large negative impacts on job creation, road safety and traffic congestion in the northern suburbs?
No, Mr Speaker. We're putting in place significant improvements to the freeway in the northern suburbs. We're doing more for road improvements in the northern suburbs, but also across regional Western Australia.